Hello. For this lesson, basically we are going to be making a flyer using the edited photo that you created about cooperation. So it says that you will go to, after you edit the photo, you'll go to the search bar and open up Word. You're going to click on flyers. You're going to choose a flyer and make one for Cooperation Month. The purpose of it is to give it to third graders at Gullet, and basically it needs to describe what is cooperation. It has to include at least one picture, the picture that you edited, an explanation of what cooperation is, why you should cooperate or collaborate, and at least one way you can do it. So it could be to listen, take turns, respect others, compromise. It can have all of them, but it has to have at least one. And then you're going to save it in your quarter one as DL3-1-1 and your last name. You will then turn it in on Schoology. So if you go back to here, you'll see the week ending 8/22. And here it says your flyer. And then it says it's just a mini of what I had said in the other one. You should have a submission link over here. If you do not know how to turn in on Schoology, you should be able to go to the video and it will walk you through it. It's a YouTube video. It is not something that I made. I found it just for the people that did that. So here, if you go to your search bar and you type in Word, it should come up as an app. You can pin it to the taskbar if you would like. All right, so it'll come up, it'll have stuff that's up here, but if you go to over here to where it says more templates and you go to flyers, you can choose a flyer, whichever flyer makes sense to you, and then you can edit it. I'm not asking you to start from scratch. It's about using the programs to create something. So you can, whatever you select it, then you hit create. Okay, and then if you have a picture, you can select it and click the backspace button. I can actually, you know what? Hold on, I'm going to undo that. If you right click, you can go to change picture and then it'll keep it the same size. There you go. So if you go from file, we're going to go to OneDrive, our Intro to Art, quarter one, photos, and then here's my favorite one. Okay, so we're going to make, so there's my favorite one. Then I can change this to cooperation, what it means to you. I can put a quote. Helen Keller has a great quote out there. So I can change this information. Please take and go down and make sure there's only one page. It will make it much easier for me. And if it's not, you just click, hold, and select it and hit delete so that I can, when I go to send it to the teacher over there, that it's only one page long. All right, and that is what you need to be doing for the cooperation flyer. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, have fun.